Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming account ownership and permissions. This matters because block sharing often stems from wrong owner or expired access. Next, check your drive quota and leave a small buffer. Low storage can trigger errors. Then, read the exact error text to classify it: rate limit, policy block, or simple permission issue. Once done, change the file owner if needed, or adjust sharing settings to restrict domain or audience while you prepare for the 24-hour wait. Now you act on the cause. If it's a rate or temporary block, revoke and reapply link sharing to reset permissions. Choose anyone with link only when safe. For workspace users, open admin alerts and audit logs to identify blocks or policy holds and lift them where authorized. If policy flags the file, export a safe copy, re-upload it to a new folder, and recreate the share link. Make sure to wait after changes, because Google sometimes takes time to propagate updates across systems. Finish by waiting the recommended 24 hours after permission or policy changes so Google systems can sync. This is often the core fix. If the link remains blocked, collect the file ID and error details, then contact Google support or your workspace admin to escalate the issue. As a temporary fallback, compress and re-upload the file, share from a different account, or use an internal file transfer. If troubleshooting fails, the one key tip is to preserve a downloaded.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.